your girl Samoya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't know what to think, set bless upon yourself. Thanks to who are subscribed to my channel. Thanks for who all who watch my video. Thanks for the growth. Cause I can see growth in it. I thank you. Anyways, as you see in the description, 10 things that I love. Let's get into it.
Singing.
So the first thing that I love is singing. I love singing from a very small age. I like to sing to my throat that hurt me. Yes, I love to sing a very lot. Further down more, you can see some more of my songs that I sing in my YouTube channel, and I've already sing one. And Let Me Give You a Something. You're going to see many more coming up. Yeah, so just stay tuned and look forward to it.
Number 2, water.
Alright, the second thing that I like is water. Water, I love anywhere beach there. Yeah, I love it. I can't swim, you know, but I like water anyways.
Number 3, fashion.
The third thing that I love, third thing I like is, or should I say love? The third thing that I love is fashion. I'm in love with fashion. I love when people dress up and I go out. Yeah, I love fashion a very lot. Yes, I'd actually want to become a fashion designer, but it never did give me that vibes there again in my class. I mean, when I was in high school, never did give me that vibes, so I'm not bother with it.
If your boyfriend is a liar, clap your
TikTok
hands.
videos.
If your boyfriend is a cheater, clap your hands. If he told you not to worry about that girl, but then he cheated and you saw the messages, clap your hands.
The fourth thing that I love TikTok videos. I like dancing to them, acting out, anything with them have to act. I love the whole content. I love it.
Father God, you know my struggles.
The fifth thing that I love gospel music. Yes, I love to sing gospel music. I love to listen to gospel music. Yeah.
And only number 6 spot is music.
The sixth thing that I love listening to music overall in general. Music make me feel at peace. Yeah.
Number 7, dancing.
Dancing, I love dancing. I just love hear the beats, them give me a vibes, man. I love when people are dance. I love to dance hip hop. I love to dance dancehall. I love when people are dance. Yeah. You know, cause I dance on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna look peace, man. Or myself. So
Number 8, nature lover.
the other thing that I love is I love nature. I'm in love with nature. I love to see the beautiful flowers outside, beautiful rivers, seas, the beautiful trees, sky, everything about nature. I loved everything. Yes.
Number 9, acting.
And I like to act. Yes, I like acting. I'm in love with acting. I always say if one day I get a chance to go over America, I want to go to act in one of those big Hollywood place there or Disney. Yes, I want to act. Yeah. That's my dream. Just dream it. You know, like you just see things here. Yeah, imagine it. Have a dream. Everybody have a dream, you know. Yeah. Somebody will see it and like it. Yeah. I'm meeting with the good nights. You see it. Yeah.
And finally, all in, number 10, going out.
So I love to go out. Love to go like restaurants, hotels, anywhere that's fun. When they have entertainment there and they have vibes. Yeah. I liked it. Like pretty place. So yeah.